Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Okay, enough of the nonsense. Let's get into the charts. Today I'm going to be talking about two scenarios in the charts, and then I'm going to be doing trade possibilities and Elliott Wave education like usual. So starting on the 4-hourly time frame, we are still in this WXY on our main scenario. The WXY is now in this Y wave, which consists of an A, B, and a C. An ABC consists of a 5-3-5 move. That means 5 waves in A, 3 waves in B, and 5 waves in C. As you can see, marked out here are the 5 waves that would be in C. You can see this on our Elliott Wave education page, that a standard ABC is something along these lines: 5 waves up, 3 waves down, and 5 waves up. The target for this wave B is anywhere from the 0.886 to the 0.5. If we do measure this out and go put the 0.5 to the 0.886 on the chart, we can see here that the B fits perfectly into this area at the moment. So if that is in target, and we are now seeing impulsive structures down, we should be seeing on the hourly time frame, then we are currently in this wave C, the wave C to the downside in Y. So we should now see 5 wave moves to the downside: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing that Y move all the way to this area here, starting at a target of $45,390 for the wave C. That is the target for this wave C at the moment. If we go to the 15-minute time frame, we can see the impulsive structures occurring now on the chart. A move here that occurred on the 28th of September that we can see here doing a 1, 2, 3, still not finished, 4, and a 5. Inside this wave 3, we have another 5 wave structure: a 1, 2, 3, 4, rejecting off perfectly into this 4th wave target at 62,084 to 61,616, and then a 5 should follow. This 5 would be a finished wave 3. This wave 5 is the target at 58,196. After that, we should get a wave 4 to the upside and 5 completing that big wave 1 in the wave C. That is at the moment the main scenario at this time frame. The second scenario I'd like to talk about on the charts is this finished correction, a finished WXY, and now we are looking for impulsive structures to the upside. Remember, when we are looking for moves to the upside, we either look for an impulse, something like this, or we look for a diagonal. Now a diagonal can look like this: a leading diagonal, contracting diagonal with 3 wave moves in each wave, where wave 1 and wave 4 overlap in price. Or we can look for an expanding diagonal, a leading expanding diagonal, which is quite rare, so we don't always look at this, but this would be the move in an expanding diagonal. But at the moment we can see this playing out as a leading diagonal. You can see here a B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C marked out on the chart, and now we are seeing an A, possible B about to form, and a wave C. That is the move that I'm looking to capture in this next while for this scenario. Then we should reject off this trend line here, targeting that upper trend line, and then following that we should get a larger degree wave 2. This being an entire wave 1. This being an entire wave 1, and then a wave 2, and then massive impulsive structures all the way to all-time highs. This is the most bullish scenario in my opinion on the chart at the moment. So the wave B would target around that 886 to 0.5 at 63,312 to 65,855 on the chart. That would mean we go from here up and then back down. This wave C would be an impulsive structure like we discussed before. So we are still looking in the short-term time frame for lower prices, touching this trend line and then moving back up if this is your main scenario on the chart. Then looking at a Elliott Wave channel, we can still see, I haven't spoken about this in a while, but we can see that on an Elliott Wave channel, this is a channel that is drawn from the low to the first high to the first low. And you can see here that many a times this middle line has been treated as resistance and or support. You can see here support, support, support all throughout the last few moves. In that wave 3 we broke up, used that top trend line as support. We found resistance here too. So this is a very well respected trend line at the moment, or channel. And I do expect in this wave 4 we do come down and touch the lower degree trend line. I feel that if we don't find support off this middle line at the moment, then we would crash through this middle line and target that bottom trend line here. I've labeled this as the wave 4. This would be the larger term move for the bull run. After this, a wave 5, then finishing that larger degree wave 3, then a 4 and a 5, finishing off the bull run at $120,000 around about there. That is my targets for the bull run. Now for trade possibilities starting on the 4-hourly time frame. If you were at our Discord, you can see that we took multiple trades yesterday. All the trade possibilities yesterday were posted in the Discord, and you can see an all trades list here. Yesterday we had a 7% win, a 9% win on the hourly time frame, and the 4-hourly short is still indeed open, which at the moment would be from the high of the B wave to the low at the moment in about a 9% profit. So do join the Discord to catch those trade possibilities here. But for the 4-hourly time frame, you can see that this move down has now already started. So for a risky 4-hourly time frame play, I would short from the high of this wave 2 here. This wave 2 would be the area where I'd short from, targeting that wave 3 move down. But the short that we took yesterday on the 4-hourly time frame will remain open for this entire move, targeting the C. But if you missed out on this move, the next box would be this wave 2, which will be on the chart probably in the next week. Then on the hourly time frame, the move I would target is this move to the upside. The hourly and the 15-minute time frame are all the same. So this move from the low of wave 5, I would target that wave 2 move here in that A, B, C. This will be quite a nice area to long from, as that wave 2 would end up being a good target for about a 12% move towards the upside. So I do expect wave 2 to get to around that $63,000 before rejecting off around there. So that would be my trade for the 15-minute time frame and the 1-hourly time frame on the chart. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to the YouTube channel and join the Discord for Elliott Wave education pages, all trades that I take, and a Bitcoin analysis, which we do twice to 3 times a day. But thank you so much for watching. It's been MaxTradesCrypto. Cheers, guys.